Good morning, guys. Good text exchange here. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of August. So this is just an update on Euro JPY that was dropped last week. I think on Thursday or Friday. Thursday or Friday. So I dropped this sell setup for Euro JPY, and as you can see, it's played out and it's still playing out perfectly. So if you watched the previous video, you will remember that I wanted to take profits. I initially said to take profits here, you know, when I said I normally target 1:5, but let's become greedy and target this other low. So it has already taken out this low here, which is a 1:5, 5.6 here. So we're waiting for it to come take out this low. Yes, we're waiting for it to take out this low. So see, you can see before the trade moved, it played around our entry for a long time before it eventually started moving. I think it started moving on Tuesday. That was yesterday. I think it was yesterday that it eventually started moving and broke this low. So as you can see, I've seen another entry for it, and I just marked it out. So this is basically a break of structure. This was a pullback. This was a pullback. Then it dropped. Then it came and swept this high, pulled down a little, and then swept the low. So I'm looking to, this is 1 hour. I initially marked out this high that was swept, this candle, last candle here, and then I refined it on the 15 minutes, which is why it is giving me this. So I basically just marked out this last buy candle here, and so hopefully what I'm expecting it to do, it might actually pull in a little, maybe using this as liquidity, and just maybe pull in a little here before selling, but I don't expect it to go all the way up here. I don't. Ideally, our stop loss should be up here for to be on the safe side, but I don't expect the market to do that. So let me just, to be on the safe side, I want to target 1:5 again. Let me just put the stop loss here, and then this is the setup I have. So if it comes, I'm going to add positions because I'm still in this overall trade. So if it comes here, I'm going to add more positions here, and I'll be targeting that low. In fact, I haven't gone lower. So let me see why I put it here. Let me go to the higher time frame. Sorry. Okay, so this is the low I'm actually targeting. This is the low I'm actually targeting. Okay, so my bad. Now I remember. So I think this was the low I initially set as a TP. Then I said let us be greedy and target this low. So anyway, the trade is still moving. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So if you did not see the previous setup, I'm going to tag that. You're going to see it somewhere here. And if you are still not following, you know what to do. To subscribe. I drop trade ideas every day. Sorry, I have not dropped any trade idea yesterday and today, beginning of this week. It's because most trades I saw were already close to entry, so it was basically too late for me to record it. Like for example, I caught a gold buy yesterday. Caught a gold buy yesterday. And also I caught a sell on EURJPY yesterday. Which is this here. So I haven't marked out the buy. I didn't even know that has come to peak. Oh god. So I've missed this buy now, but I caught this sell for yesterday, and when I saw it, it was already too close, so I couldn't record the trade. So that's why you've not seen any trade idea since Monday and Tuesday. Most trades I was seeing were just close to entry, so it was going to be too there was not enough time for me to try to record it, before it even peaks or plays out. So I just did not record. So this is basically just an update for EURJPY. If I see any other trade idea, of course. Yeah, I also caught the BTC yesterday. Oh, I forgot to mention. I also caught BTC by yesterday. This is the BTC buy call yesterday. I entered it. I initially entered from here, from this very point when it broke this supply zone, because it was obvious it's retested. This is the supply zone that created this low. So I was just waited. This marking here is a daily demand zone. So that's why I waited for the reaction. It reacted, it eventually broke. So I took a buy from this spot here. And I was targeting this high, but it came here and sold now. So this is a re-entry for it. I caught this BTC, but it was too close. Like I said, it was too close. It was too close. I couldn't record it. So just stay tuned for possible trade ideas.